welcome back to my channel. I might look a lot different. Yes, I know I was able to pull off these natural curls with a diffuser. So in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you exactly how I achieve that. Like I said, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I diffuse my hair. I think I have learned so much as the time has gone on from where I first started to where now I am able to get my hair done. So when I'm diffusing my hair, the first thing that I do in the shower is use a deep conditioner. I use a deep conditioner just to really lock in all that moisture and kind of get my hair like not dried out, and it just wants to like suck up all of the water and then be more curly. When I get out, I brush my hair instantly and kind of just like put it in a low ponytail while I'm doing my makeup so nothing gets super dry. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use the Curl Enhancing Smoothie. This is from Shea Moisture. I'm probably gonna use like this much, and I am going to like pancake it in my hair. So I don't wanna like run my fingers through or like scrunch it up just yet. Next thing I'm gonna use is the Coconut Hibiscus Curling Gel Souffle. It's jelly. So I'm just gonna use a little bit of that and do this. Now these are things that you can get from Walmart. They're really good, simple, very easy, on the cheaper side. The things that I absolutely love and have fallen in love with are Curlsmith. I really like Curlsmith things. So the other day when I got my curls like looking so good, I was using this. This is the Bouncy Strength Volume Foam from Curlsmith, and I just put this everywhere. Now in my video before, I used Curlsmith stuff. I used the weightless air dry cream. I love this too. Am I going overboard with the things? Yes, but this is what I did last time and it turned out really good. I've used just like one or two products before and I think that that's fine too, but I am just doing exactly what I did the last time. Now that I have it here, this is what I did, and this is something that I did not do. I got a Denman brush, and I've heard many great things about this Denman brush, and I just brushed my hair with the product in it section by section and just kind of let it do its thing. I don't know anything about this brush other than it enhances your curls, and I don't know how it does it. I have no idea. I raved about this diffuser, and this blow dryer is my absolute favorite. This is the Shark HyperAIR. It just came out last year, and this is the Curl-Defining Diffuser that came along with it. There's different packages and stuff, so you can add different attachments when you buy the blow dryer, but if you want your hair curly, highly suggest this one. This is the best diffuser I have ever used. So the IQ technology is like when you attach it, it automatically sets the heat and airflow to what you should use. So when I turn this on, it goes to low airflow and low heat, and that's what I'm gonna be using for each section. So take your time on it, and the thing that I've learned is don't touch your hair at first. With the blow dryer, I scrunch it up. Look at that already. And then I just kind of like let the airflow do its thing. All right, once I feel like my curls are still wet, but they're like set or they're setting, then I'll go to the next section. And I'm finding more success the smaller sections I do, the more success I have with how curly my hair gets. So then take the brush and brush everything through again and then let it set. All right, this is it so far. So this is 2 layers. A lot of volume, a lot of curl. Let's go on. I don't know, I just find that this way I just get so much more control over the curls rather than like lumping them together. And it just allows me to get a lot more volume, and yeah, I'm really liking this technique. Especially for somebody who doesn't have like naturally curly hair. This way has helped me so much be able to achieve some sort of a natural curl with the help of the diffuser and products. I also wipe off my hands every time I touch my hair because otherwise it just gets all over my blow dryer. So keep a towel handy. Here we go. So now when I get to this section where like I want my curls to be more voluminous at the top, I extend the prongs. These are extendable prongs, by the way. And so I extend the prongs so the heat is at the root, and I will lift up and encourage that and then put the prongs right up against my scalp. Okay, on this last section, I already brushed everything through. Sometimes I flip my head, and I'm gonna actually flip my head upside down and do this one. So it's gonna be awkward. I'll just fast forward it. Okay, so since my hair is not naturally curly, I am going to edit just the top pieces with a 3/4 inch curling iron. And I'm gonna do the wand curl. So what that means is you just wrap it around. Just like that, leave it for a couple seconds and then pull it out, and then it'll look like your regular curls. I have just a couple over here too, like this one, that needs to be edited. Also, you don't have to open up the clamp if you don't want to on a regular curling iron. Just hold it tight, do a wand curl, and then let it go. Just to add some symmetry and stuff, because some of my blonde pieces don't like curling because they are chemically treated. Okay, let's see, how's that going? All right, so here it is. Big, voluminous, diffused hair. Now, I like it looking like a bit bigger, right? So I teased a little bit on the sections, so it's a tad bit more frizzy, but if you just want naturally curly hair and like have it look less big, you can totally do that. You are more than welcome to do that. And it'll be less frizzy, but since I lifted up some portions of my hair, I added some frizz in there because, well, I can't help myself. If you would like to purchase any of the products I used in this tutorial today, I will link them all down below. I have a code Chloe50 that you can use on this blow dryer. I will link it down below. And on the big bundle, Chloe40 works on that, so you can get $40 off. Yeah, so if you are interested, check those out, and I hope to see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye.